555. Angel number 555 suggests that wonderful new opportunities will miraculously appear with help from your angels. When you live your life being true to yourself and honest with others, you manifest positive energies and desired results and outcomes. Call upon the angels whenever you wish, as they are always with you. You can also expect some positive new additions to your home and or family, and these are to be appreciated and accepted with grace. As when you have an attitude of gratitude, more good comes your way. Type 555 to receive blessings. God wants you to keep His word at the forefront of your mind. Let your life follow His word. Let your life follow His pattern. Let your life reflect His heart. Let your heart reflect His character. Keep, trust and obey His word in every season of life. Keep His commandments. Let His word regulate your borders. Type Amen if you believe in